Hello students, greetings of the day. I am Deepshikaladris Mellon, Professor of Humanities. Today we are going to learn about the paragraph writing which comes under writing skills in business communication. Today we are going to understand how to write a perfect paragraph and what are the types of a paragraph. Let's get started. In the another slide, yes, this slide. Here you can have a look at the word. Word makes sentence where sentences makes a paragraph and the paragraphs makes an essay. We have definitely did this in our primary schools. We have write tons of essays but here we will concentrate on writing a paragraph because we have to add meaning and perfection to the paragraph. So, here is the definition of a paragraph. A group of five or more sentences that all related to single idea. Yes, one single idea, one title will be given to you and you have to write the five sentences or more than five sentences just for one topic. Isn't it very difficult to write? Yes, it is, but you can write it very easily just knowing the trick. Let's have a look what the paragraphs tell us. So paragraph need to have the topic sentence. It is a way of organizing and expressing the main idea of the paragraph. When you know and you're sure about a title, you can organize and express all your views and ideas in a perfect way, right? So you should have to make a note of it. You have to make the points before you pre-write the paragraph. You have to keep the topic in mind and you have to do some homework before writing a paragraph. So here are the main characteristics which will help you to write a good paragraph. First one is paragraph need to have a topic sentence. Yes, the paragraph is divided into three main categories. The first one is the topic sentence. It is a way of organizing and expressing the main idea of the whole paragraph. The second thing is that it answers the questions like why, how, and where. We have to mention all these questions in a paragraph. In every sentence, you have to keep in mind why it is happened, how it is happened, and where it is happened. The third thing is the supporting sentence. There are three type of supporting sentence which we are going to have a look at in the another slide. The last one is the conclusive or conclusion sentence, whereas the title of the paragraph can prove, define, explain, or describe the topic. Now, have a look at the another slide. Here is the structure of the paragraph. Maybe you will get a small brief how to write a paragraph. The first thing, as we seen in the definition, topic sentence. So topic sentence is required to state one main idea related to your research. That means you have to do something, some little research, or you should have some knowledge about a particular topic or a title given to you. You have to express everything which is also known as introduction part. You have to give a introduction, like you can write any phrases related to that topic that can come under the topic sentence. The second thing is supporting sentence. Here in supporting sentence you have to add the clear and detailed explanation about the idea of the title which you have started in the introduction. That means you have to support the sentences with the details, with the facts, with the help of the exact information. Third thing comes is conclusive sentences. Conclusive sentence means a conclusion, the overall look of that paragraph comes in the conclusion part. You have to give the complete essence of any particular title or topic in the conclusion. Let's try to have a look at another slide. Here you see a hamburger, right? It looks like very tempting at once when you have a look at a burger or a hamburger. So paragraph should look like a hamburger. The top bun of a burger is your topic sentence. So you can have a look at the slide where I have used such a tempting picture to explain you the main details of a paragraph writing. So first, the topic sentence is the toppest bun, the upper bun, which looks very tempting with the seeds. What type of seeds are used? Sesame seeds. Similarly, your sesame seeds and your top bun is your introduction part. So, this sentence tells the reader the main idea or what the paragraph will be about. I hope you're getting my point. Now, have a look at the supporting sentences. There are three supporting sentences which makes a paragraph complete. So, first sentence or the supporting sentence is the sentence which gives the specific details related to the title. The second supporting sentence is the sentence which gives another specific details related to the main idea or the title, and the third, last but not the least, is the sentence which gives more specific related to the main idea. So you don't get confused. Here you will use transition words to support all your evidence. The first evidence will come in the sentence 1. The second supporting evidence will come in the second supporting sentence. And the least comes under the third one. In the conclusion sentence, you will conclude all your study, all your evidence has to bring it the essence of overall of the main idea of the paragraph in the conclusion. So just have a look at the hamburger paragraph. So it shows the tempting paragraph. So in a burger, similarly, there are the topping and there are the veggies or the main ingredients you wanted in your hamburger like tomatoes, jalapenos, there is lettuce, and in the middle you put a tiki or whatever you like in the middle. And the third thing is your supporting sentence. That means whatever you want to put as a sauce or as a Szechuan chutney to your hamburger, and your conclusion is the last one, which holds everything in the middle. So, this is the way to write a proper paragraph. Let's have a look at the another slide. Here, I have picked a paragraph which is about a teenage, which is about the puberty. So first line, which is in the yellow part, is the topic sentence of the paragraph, which shows what it is all about. The second color, the green color, shows the first supporting sentence of the main idea of the paragraph. The third color which I have used, or third sentence, is in blue, which talks about the second supporting sentence. And the third one, which is in red, is the third supporting sentence of the paragraph. And the last one is the conclusion. You will get a overall idea how to write a paragraph by looking at this paragraph structure. I hope this will help you. Now, we will try to have a look at the types of paragraph. The first type is descriptive, second is narrative, third one is expository, and the fourth one is persuasive. So, descriptive paragraph in English is a type that creates a picture of any people, place, movements, things, or theories. In short, it is a kind of paragraph written to explain the topics by using five senses. Moreover, every new sentence in one paragraph in English provides more details about the specific topics as every sentence is different from the other. Thus, a descriptive paragraph is used to create an image of the topic in the reader's mind. The descriptive paragraph writing is used for to describe any place, any people's biography, any moment, or a big day of your life, or things or theories. The another type of paragraph is a narrative type. Narration. Narration is used to tell a story, imaginary or real, which is through a written format. Also, it shows actions, settings, characters, which are mainly described at the start of the introduction by using action words. Moreover, details in this paragraph are provided by using the methods of questioning like when it happened, where it happened, why it happened, who was there, what was happened, and how. So it is like arranging everything in a narration way, in a chronological order. So it is more like a it is more like a storytelling. Another type of paragraph is expository. An expository is a type of paragraph writing that revolves around discussing and explaining a single topic or idea. Moreover, many points are used, such as examples, facts, differences, similarities, incidents, and more, to write a paragraph. Expository much more talk about the real incidents which has already taken place somewhere in any year or in the past. So it is more about talking about the facts, the differences. It is more based on the studies which are already provided. The last type of paragraph is persuasive. In persuasive paragraph writing in English is used to convince the readers or the audience to understand and agree with the writer's opinion on any issue or specific action. It is similar to expository, but it focuses on ideas of facts and opinions. So, you can say that in persuasive writing, you can write your own opinions and suggestions. You can also discuss about someone's opinion and suggestions on the given topic. In addition, while writing paragraph, the writer uses examples as facts and details to draw an argument to answer the why type of question. For example, the case studies. Yes, persuasive is much more depending upon the case studies. Have you ever heard about a paragraph or the writing which depends upon the case study where they focuses on all the evidence provided or they collected and then they write their own opinion or suggestion or they argue with the writer's opinion. Similarly, where lots of questions of why they try to answer with their own suggestions. Thus, use a persuasive paragraph structure to write an opinion type of passages to make readers believe in your arguments or facts. That's all about the types of Paragraph writing. Here I'm sharing few topics of paragraph writing. You can also try your hand on writing the paragraph. The first one is a day that I can't forget. Tell me this topic comes under which type of a paragraph. Second one is the scene at a railway platform. Third one is summer vacation. Fourth one is education should be free. Fifth one is contribution of technology in education. And sixth one is Facebook should be banned. Try your hands and try to write the four types of paragraph. Then you will make out which one you are best at. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and this will help you to write or improve your writing skills. Thank you for watching.